What if I told you thousands of PMP aspirants fail isn't because the exam is difficult, but because they are not studying from the right resources. They read hundreds of pages, memorize definitions, and solve random mock tests. Yet, when they sit for actual PMP exam, the questions feel entirely different. If you have ever felt confused about where to start, what to study, how much to study, or whether you are really exam ready, then this book was written for you. Welcome to PMP Exam Mastery. Not just another PMP guide, it is your practical roadmap to get PMP certified with confidence. Why another PMP book? Every year, professionals invest months preparing for PMP, but yet face the same problems. Too many study material. They are not finding the right sources. YouTube videos explaining only parts of the syllabus. Mock tests not able to explain why a particular option is correct. Not only this, they lack understanding what exactly PMI is expecting from a project manager. Most importantly, PMP aspirants are not sure about the PMP application process, the do's and don'ts in PMP application. This is why this book is written. And this book is going to help them really understand and address these all challenges and successfully complete their PMP certification journey. What makes this book different? This isn't simply a book. This is a complete PMP preparation system. Inside this guide, you will find the content which is completely aligned with latest edition of PMBOK guide. There are no outdated concepts. You will be able to relate the concepts with the projects that you are doing, and you will be studying the content as per the latest format of PMP exam and as per the guidelines of PMI. That means you are learning what exactly matters as per the today's exam. This book follows the latest exam content outline, so your preparation remains relevant. There are no unnecessary topics. It contains only what helps you succeed. Many PMP aspirants struggle understanding the balance between the three domains, that is people domain, process domain, and business environment domain. Instead of studying these three domains separately, this book will help you connect these three domains using practical explanations and real-world scenarios. Exactly how PMI wants you to think. Reading definitions doesn't build confidence. Understanding situations does. Most of the times, what I observed in my PMP workshops is the PMP aspirant who come from non-IT industry, they really find it difficult to relate PMP principles with the project problems that they are facing. So whether you come from IT industry or healthcare industry, construction industry, pharmaceutical industry, or any other industry, this book will help you relate PMP principles with the projects and the challenges that you are facing. PMI has come up with new format questions in PMP exam. This book covers all those different types of questions, and under each of the question you will find the right answer and the explanation for why that particular answer is correct and why not the other options. This would improve your understanding and you will start thinking like a project manager. Many aspirants keep asking, what should I study first? Where do I start from? How will I know whether I'm exam ready? Most of the times they get confused between different practice guides, material, mock tests. So this book is for them. This book is going to help them set a clear roadmap right from day one till the exam day. Who should read this book? This book is for the industry leaders who are making decisions in the projects, who are leading teams, who are trying to make the right decisions for the given situations in the project. This book is not only for PMP aspirants, but this is also for you to improve your decision-making skills in the project management. Now let us understand what you will gain from this book. After reading this book, you will understand exactly what PMI expects. You will not waste time around unnecessary resources. You will understand the approach to solve scenario-based questions. You will build confidence instead of anxiety. And most importantly, you will prepare with clarity instead of confusion. Because confidence doesn't come from studying more, it comes from studying the right way. This is only the beginning. In the upcoming videos, I am going to reveal the powerful PMP strategies through this book. So, if becoming PMP certified is one of your goals this year, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon so that you can join me in complete PMP journey. Because your PMP certification doesn't start on the exam day, it starts with the right guide. Thank you for watching.